Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my world. It's Tragedy, aka Rubber Face Bandit. And I'm here at the Met Stadium. As you can look around, chilling out with my boy Trackstar. Right now he's doing the filming exclusively. So we got a nice little interview, and it's on you, man.
Okay. Alright, so let's talk about the album. When is it dropping?
I tried to drop it around, July 12th, but that's the day. But I'm gonna push it back and I'm gonna drop it around July 20th. July 20th. Definitely it's gonna be in your hood by July 20th. Alright? Yeah, it's called My Mental, so it's deep. I think that I work harder on this album than I did, with the previous albums. So I'm going hard, man. I just put the, the pen to the pad, and I let my heart go.
Who's featuring on the album?
My brother J-Rock, man, and you gotta look out for his album. It's coming soon, and he real, yo. He real. Like honestly, as far as being like a hard rapper, like he's a rap artist. There's a lot of niggas that they ain't gonna be able to mess with him on that tip. But he like the only feature that I have on the album. And I tried to get my boy Big Ange, but he was tied up. So I let him do his thing. When he come back to the table, we gonna come back to the table, and it's all good.
Okay. So how do you feel about hip-hop this day and age?
Hip-hop, I really don't like it. It's a lot of people that walk around here and they'll put the smiley face on like hip-hop. It's great right now, as far as the auto-tunes and, the dancing and singing and, doing cartwheels on the floor, but that's not me, I'm gonna put my heart on a record every time you see me, I don't just go inside the studio and think of something like, oh man, I think that's hot, without really clearly thinking it through. And that's what I think a lot of these rap dudes is doing right now. They ain't really clearly thinking, about the projects that they putting out. So, I'm gonna let them do them, I'm gonna do me, Whoever gonna be at the finish line, is gonna be at the finish line, that's what it is right now.
Alright, so you're on MySpace, right?
Yeah, definitely, you can hit me up on MySpace.
MySpace.com/TragedyLoadUpENT.
There we go, and also on Twitter.
Twitter.com/TragedyLoadUp.
There we go, and yo, let me know the comments, let me hear from y'all my fans, man, and I respect, when y'all give honest opinions, yo, let me know about my work, man, because, I do it for y'all, I don't do it for the money, I don't do it for the fame, the glamours and glitz, I do it for y'all, man, and my heart is right there, man. I love hip-hop, man. Okay. Don't let it die because, niggas jumping in the booth and saying whatever. And that's for real.
Alright, so where you from?
Elizabeth, New Jersey. That's right, Jersey is in the house. Everybody always say, yo, I'm from the Bronx and I'm from, I'm from Brooklyn. Nigga, I'm from New Jersey, yo. And I put it down, and yo. I'm repping for my city. So I got the whole world on my back right now. So I guarantee I'm representing.
Okay.
I put it down, baby.
Okay, how old are you?
24 today. Today is my birthday, so.
What is today anyway?
July 12th.
July 12th.
So it's crazy right now. Yo? My boy Trackstar, hooked me up. So as you can see, the extravagant event. It's nice right now. It's a beautiful day. It's a lot of beautiful women. I tell you, man, it's real nuts right now, yo. It's chaotic, yo. Just catch the scenery real quick, cause it's nuts right now, man. It's nuts. Y'all see that? That's pure pandemonium right there. And it's for y'all, man. It's for y'all. A lot of times I get my inspiration from this. And then I walk inside the, the booth and I put it down. Yo? And like I said, yo, a couple of good joints that you're gonna have on the album is 6616. You're gonna have Scream. It's another one of my favorites. And Cheetah, yo, it hurt my heart, it touched my heart. So when you listen to those records, I want you to actually have the mind state that I have at the moment when I was actually making a record. So, feel me.
Okay. Did you have a previous album before this?
Yeah, I had a previous album. It was Bloody Signature, but it really didn't get pushed that much because, the person that I was dealing with, he wasn't a real, cool dude on that level as far as that, He was kind of a shiesty dude, as far as in how he was handling business and how I was handling business with him. So, we kind of broke that off. That album got left in the back road, back dust, back burner, however you want to say it. And I moved forward, man. This is my new album, man, My Mental, yo. Production is me. Songwriter, I wrote every song on there. The album cover, everything you name it is all me. So I'm moving forward, man. This is 2009, baby, and man. 2009 to 2012. I'm a herder, man.
You got a label?
Yes, Load Up Entertainment. And you're gonna actually, you know what I mean, yo, when you look at the whole website, you're gonna actually see, you know what I mean, that everything is decked out, you know what I mean? It's from my boy, Trackstar, you know what I mean? He do all the promotion for me, you know what I mean? And he's a cameraman. He do everything. What don't he do?
What don't I do? Okay. Anything else you want to let the people know?
Yeah, man. A lot of people said that hip hop is dead, and you know what I mean, yo, all of this nonsense. But I feel like I'm not gonna be like every other artist and say that, you know what I mean, it's not, or whatever the case may be. But I feel like it's definitely in a state of struggle. And if you don't do something about it now, which I'm gonna do something about it right now, you know what I mean, then it will be dead. You know what I mean, yo, it's gonna perish. You know what I mean? That's for real, man.
Okay. All right, well, Tragy, it was good talking to you, man.
Thank you, man. Thank you, man. Thank you for having me. Thank you for having me, because I'm always willing to speak my mind and spit freely. So, thank you, man. Thank you. I'm out, man. I ain't gonna even take up no more of your time, man. Load Up Entertainment. Boom. Right.